Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. We've got a Vinted package here today, and this is a buddy that I found on Vinted, because this specific one I can't seem to get hold of in B&Ms. So I had a little rummage around on Vinted, and this lovely lady was selling it, and I offered her £1.80 for it, because obviously when you buy on Vinted you get charged a buy protection fee, and obviously I want to bring that cost down. So if I'm going to get charged that as well as on top of the item, I want to bring the cost of the item down so that it's worth it. And yeah, so these normally retail about £4, but I got it for £1.80, and I've been after this one for a while. It is the start, people, of the wildlife buddies at last. I have been wanting these for so long. Now, this marks the first one of the items in the series, and there's quite a lot to get through. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, minus 1 because we've got that, so that's 19 more to collect. And yeah, this looks just really, really lovely. And finally I've got one. So out of all them, I thought I'd go for the octopus first, seeing as we're doing the ocean theme, and then I'll try to get hold of the dolphin next. And obviously there's categories, so you've got safari, the jungle, ocean is these guys, and then obviously down under, which means Australia, and misunderstood, which kind of don't really make sense. They should have called it mystery, but inside it, oh wow, look at that. Thank you. Sometimes you forget you're awesome, so this is your reminder. Okay, interesting thank you card. I am pretty awesome, so yeah, thanks for that. That's very kind of them to, oh, we got more, look. It says, always remember that you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think, and love more than you know. That is Winnie the Pooh saying. I'm sure it is, because he says that about Christopher Robin. I'm sure that's from where that is, but yeah, it just goes to show that words can really mean a lot, you know. And yeah, I've never had that before. Sometimes you forget you're awesome. Wow, thanks. Good God, this is big. Look at the size of that. Oh my God, that is huge. I didn't think it'd be that big. Wow. And it looks as if they've included us a little card here. That's just, I think, oh, it's like a, what's that then? A collector card. Species is 300. Worldwide coral reefs, carnivore. Yeah, see, I was telling you about the 3 hearts. They have 3 hearts. So one stops beating when swimming. Masters of disguise, camouflaging it into their surroundings. If they lose an arm, it can regrow. But that doesn't really tell us why they've got 3. It just says one stops beating when swimming. So, wow. Imagine this little animal having 3 hearts. It's interesting, isn't it? And I believe when they die, when they have young, the mum will die as a food source for her young, so the young can feed on her body. That is so weird, but apparently that's what happens. So, because I saw it on a David Attenborough programme. Really lovely stick. I can't get over the size of that. That's fabulous. Oh, look. We've even got a decorated base. Yeah, this is quite a new thing for Craft Buddy. And look, they're listening to the feedback because they've printed that on the back this time. So that's good. I'm glad they've done that. So what I might do is put a little piece of paint on the, because obviously as that goes in there, it's going to look quite weird with it being obviously a white board. So what I might do is very carefully go around there with like a pen or something to merge it in with this seawater. But I finally have one, and it came through really quick. I paid for it like 2 days ago, but I did buy I did pay for DPD, so DPD is always next day. So yeah, it's come through really, really quick. So I almost forgot to film this because I was going to leave it till tomorrow, but it's not fair on the seller, so because obviously they're waiting for their money to be released, so I thought I'd quickly film it whilst doing dinner. And oh, these are cardboard ones. Yeah, back in the old days they used to be plastic, so they must have changed them to cardboard. And then obviously here we have, this is the colours here. We've got a purple, a lilac, oh, 550, which is a very vibrant purple. We've got an orange, oh, that's lovely, that colour, burgundy, wow. A peach colour, a yellow, sorry, like a peachy yellowy colour, terracotta maybe, brown, and then a yellow. But this must be a thing where you collect cards then. So, but yeah, so if we can, because I've got to try to get the dolphin, the seahorse, and the turtle. Oh no, that's the platypus. No, that ain't the platypus. It's down there. That's the platypus, but they put the turtle on that bit there. But yeah, they would be our ocean ones. Now, I'm not promising anything because these go extremely fast. So I can't promise for sure that I'll get hold of these. But as I say, it's interesting why they've not put them in the shop, because this is Series 5 and Toy Story is Series 7. So yeah, we just have to hope that one turns up in that box. It's so random when you go to B&M's. You never know what ones you're going to pick up, but I can't get over the size of that. That's actually probably the size of my hand here, look. Wow, what a lovely, lovely one. And finally, we've got one of the wildlife buddies. We've rescued him from the water and he's come home with me. I'd like to have a pet octopus. That would be quite fun, because people do have pet octopuses, you know, the really small ones. But anyhow, have a wonderful day. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. They are available through Craft Buddy, Vinted or B&M's. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening and we'll see you next time. Bye.